You don't need a palace, just my hand in yours. Coffee in the